Hi, I'm Daniella. I'm a wig professional. I have a salon in Texas called Wig Trend. Today I'm working with René Paris. This video is going to be how to choose a wig cap correctly. I know that seems like for the everyday wig wearer something that you may already know, but actually I sell wigs every single day and I'm really surprised how many questions I have on a daily basis on how or I didn't know there were different colors of wig caps. So I'm actually going to go through with you and show you the different types, and I'm going to demonstrate on a head and with the wig. Most importantly, like a monofilament wig. So monofilament means that the wig is constructed differently. This is what the wig looks like. On the top of the wig here, there's lace front, and this piece here, the construction is hand woven, meaning it's hand knotted. The reason it's important to use the correct wig color of cap is because when you look through the wig, and this is a little difficult to see, but when you look through the wig here, you want to see the look of skin. So let me demonstrate for you what happens if you use a wig cap that is too dark. So this is a nylon wig cap. These are designed for people that wear wigs. You can use whatever you have, but I would definitely suggest that you get one that's designed for wearing underneath a wig. This is black. There's different colors. There's taupe and then there's black, and I want you to see the difference when you actually put the wig on top of the wig cap. The difference it makes if the wig cap is too dark. So again, this is our black nylon cap from René Paris. This is an Amore wig on top of a dark wig cap. The beauty of Amore or anything that's hand woven here is that this is the best construction and the most natural appearance. And this looks good, but it doesn't look great. The wig cap underneath is what I'm talking about. So I want to show you what the wig looks like if you're using something that's a little bit too dark. I'm going to demonstrate the difference with a taupe colored nylon wig cap from René Paris, and let me show you what this color looks like. This is my favorite wig cap to wear underneath anything that's partial monofilament or double monofilament. And if you want more information about those wig constructions, visit reneparis.com, and always make sure to subscribe to our channel. Same wig. Always remember, no matter what skin tone you have, I would always suggest this particular wig cap for the most natural look. Even if you're a darker skin tone, or even if you have black hair, I would definitely suggest wearing one of these underneath anything that's partial monofilament or double monofilament, whether it's just a deep part or the full construction like the wig that I just demonstrated. What hair I do have, it's really dark. So when I'm wearing the piece that I'm wearing, I'm actually wearing two wig caps layered because I definitely want it to look the most natural because my hair's so dark. But this is something that you just have to play with at home until you're comfortable with what the piece looks like when you're looking at yourself, or when you look down at the piece. Say for instance, you're sitting somewhere and you're conscious about the way it's gonna look. I always want you to feel confident that you have the best look. So I always suggest try the wig on to see how you feel comfortable. But again, no matter what skin tone you are, if you're wanting the most natural look and the wig is lighter in color, or it has a deep part, always remember to wear a natural colored wig cap. When you go to a black wig cap, and I know some of you are gonna be most comfortable with the black wig cap, and again, this is just self-preference, but I always want you to have the best look that you can with your wigs and the foundations and the different colors. Now, one time that I always wear a black wig cap is if I'm wearing, say for instance, this is Illumina R from Noriko. And this is something that I need to tell you about. You know, a lot of people feel like if they have a front lace wig, lace front lace, whatever you're more comfortable with, that you have to use glue or tape. You don't have to use any of those to keep any of our pieces on. In the event that I'm wearing this and somehow during the day it moves a little bit, that's very uncommon. But if I have a little habit of doing this a lot, and it's because I get hot when I'm working in the salon. If I do that and anybody sees cap, I want them to see dark cap. I want them to see dark wig cap, black, because the base of this particular color is dark. So please keep that in mind. Going back to what I was sharing with you about tape and glues, you know, I hear this every day that you have to use glue and tapes with lace front lace, or anything that has any kind of polyurethane. And the beautiful thing about Amore and Noriko wigs is they are designed so well that you do not ever have to use any kind of adhesive or tapes, and I would never suggest for you to do that. These have adjustments in the back and they are so well made. And again, I wear a wig every single day, and Noriko and René Paris are my favorite lines to wear. All I've ever worn, if I wear anything, are a couple bobby pins. So please remember that if you're learning some of these, how to secure your wig, all these little tips, it's very, very important to find a professional that has experience and that is licensed, that can give you the best information possible. And don't forget to go to reneparis.com if you'd like additional information on this particular wig. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button for additional information and upcoming videos.